is. But it's not me. Look. I'm dancing around. It's nothing from out there because there's nobody out there. There's nothing in front of the window except for curtains. What are you? Why does it just keep going back and forth like this? It stopped there instead of going into my saws this time. What is this? Looks like a 4-leaf clover or something. And I'm carrying around this thing, but promise you, has nothing to do with it. Look, I don't have it in my hands no more. Weird 4-leaf clover light thing. Still. I'll even jump up and down. It is the weirdest design of light I've ever seen. If it was coming from that direction, tire's not moving, so it's not light reflecting through that. There's nobody out there. Nothing moving. No plants moving. No things that hang up off of our ceiling or nothing. And there it is still. Now it's like it's hiding because I'm trying to figure out what it is. Oh, I get closer to it now, it's going to come out. Weird.